Hi, Joe from RDI here with the revitalization of Joe's Tips and Tricks. Today we just wrapped up the filming of our elevation cable rail install video, and I wanted to show you something a little additional on if you got in trouble or somehow missed one of the steps of the install. This tip's going to focus on releasing the tensioner. With a normal installation, you should not have to do this, but in the event that you missed one of the installation steps, like pulling the slack out by hand before the initial tensioning, or if the cable hopped off the last turn on this cable guide, that could prevent you from achieving the proper final tension. First, what you'll need to do is reverse your 9/16 socket and reverse the shuttle all the way back to the starting point. Not beyond that, just all the way back to the starting point. That should give you enough slack to pop the tensioner out of the section. I did the same thing on the other side to give myself a little more slack in this so I can lean it over the back of the post or over the rail and get to the underside of the shuttle. Here there's 3 Allen screws. I just have to undo them. Next step, I'm going to use a pair of vice grips, and I'm going to grab the cable right here at the end of the shuttle. You can see the tooth and spring that holds the cable in there, and I'm going to use this as a lever. I'm going to put my hand over the spring and tooth so it doesn't go flying out on me. If I use this as a lever, I can feel the cable free up here. Then I can lift the cable out of here. Make sure you keep an eye on that spring and tooth. With that off, I can remove my tensioner, carefully put the tensioner back together, and now you can retry the tensioning steps.